Annually, we have been able to save over $2 million in insurance premiums. That was year over year. So that will be a gift that keeps on giving and help us invest back into our business and our people. My name is Dwayne Morrison. I am the Director of Safety and Compliance for Southwind and full-on responsibility to ensure everyone makes it home safe every day. Southwind started 17 years ago, is focused on home services and also commercial services. Brands like 1-800-GOT-JUNK, You Move Me, Dream Lawn, Shack Shine, and Fountain Comfort Group make up its current portfolio. We knew that there was a need to improve safety for our people, so a telematics process was deployed, and unfortunately in that process we had another rollover. And again, not knowing anything, there was no alert. We didn't know that our team member was in a serious accident. So not accepting that, knowing there had to be something better, certainly led us to a better solution, one that is more accurate, real-time. Really important for us to partner with someone that would put that at the forefront. I am pleased to say today we have exceeded well over 3,500 safe miles driven as an average across all locations. You cannot maybe quantify the value of your team members knowing that they're going to get home safe. They may not see that on your P&L, but it certainly has absolutely everything to do with productivity. Without motive, it would be pure chaos. There's no way I would be able to achieve the goals that I've set out to achieve for the organization. It's incredible. There is nothing else out there like it. There definitely is knowledge and clear understanding of the return that Motive has helped us achieve without any question. By using the Motive card, we were able to achieve a rebate of over $20,000. There is no cost to use the card. The implementation is very easy. And again, if you can get a $20,000 rebate without any type of extra effort, why wouldn't you? If we could leverage that, dollars on rebate would actually show the monthly service fee for Motive would be net zero and everything else is just gain. Other things that we've seen, reducing engine idle time. Along with that, we saw over $500,000 in savings just in prevention of unnecessary fuel consumption. I would say that right now, 90% of our fleet is fully road ready, always, every day. That started from a number that was probably between 72 to 80% just not 2 to 3 months ago. So putting a process in place, leveraging Motive to manage that process and to validate that those services are getting done. Motive has helped Southwind's customer experience in many different ways. We can ensure people are going to arrive on time. We can also make certain that simple things like tarps are being used to cover junk removal. Motive, we know, is definitely installed in the vehicle, so we can guarantee that ETA is accurate. I've never worked with a company that actually takes customer feedback and puts it into motion and actually is assisting to do things and make things better. Cutting edge innovation to work alongside with Motive, more as a family than a customer. It's absolutely incredible and truly is rewarding and fulfilling.